day 3. It's just before 6 and it is noisy. These birds have been at it since about 5. Maybe we should take this bike, might be a bit quicker getting home. Alrighto, about to leave day 3, heading home. Yeah, we've got blue skies at the moment, but we're forecast for rain today. So we'll take a few dirt tracks between here and Alexandra, and probably just stick to the roads from there, see how we're going. Once that rain hits, we'll be sticking to the road. Well, that wind's picked up. We're going to go on an attempt to get up the Paps. Oh, there it is there. I got it. Just follow it up to the next gate. Yeah, that is the Paps. Look at the sheep in here. I'm sure it's normally cattle. A few cockatoos. Yeah, it's been a while since I've been up here. The last time I took a wrong turn and took the very steep route. Should be a fork in the road coming up. That's it. Check it out. Far out. Whoa. It's windy. Well, hey, let's try and get, oh man, those canola fields stand out. So we've got to try and get back out of here without being blown off the track. Far out, it has got really bad. There's the other hill up there, that one's a really steep climb to get to. I think the view is probably better at this one we went to. Anyway, let's get down and out of here. So just coming into Bonnie Doon, got to find Mitch, get a bit of business to attend to. Now, where would he be? Mainton Goon Road, this was a fun road. Got to careful not to end up in the lake. Watch for oncoming cars and boats. Yeah, not much shoulder that side. A lot of boats and caravans coming. Here comes the rain and here comes the traffic. Dear oh dear. It's going to be a slow old trip home. Yeah, just out on a bit of a test run, see what's going on with this bike. Just come back from a 3-day Victorian high country trip. 3 days, I crashed 3 times, one each day. I did have ammo cases on, top box. First crash was in the mud, just slid out in a rut, easy to do. Bent one of the mounts on my ammo case, nothing major. The next one was on gravel. It actually, I'm back on the standard rack, it actually pushed the ammo case in, twisting my rack. The third one was the worst, it's not on camera. It was in the rain, come out of an intersection, accelerated a bit hard, lost the back end and got absolutely slammed into the ground. That broke my rack. Yeah, bent my brake lever in a bit. You can see where it slid there. But on day 3 before that crash, I'd noticed a lot of smoke coming off it. It was like burning oil. I don't know what all this shit is here. Yeah, just before I go buying all this stuff for it that it needs, I just want to come out for a test run. We've got leaking fork seal. Now considering I bought these used and I didn't touch the fork seals, they've lasted pretty well. They've been on the bike for over a year now. So I need fork seals. My second crash had caught up on this and broke off my number plate lights. I've got another one of those coming. Day 1, just before my first crash, stuck in a rut, a lot of overgrown trees. One of the branches just ripped off the mirror, so I've got a new one of those coming. I've crashed this bike a lot lately. I don't know, this front tyre that I did like, I don't anymore. Maybe just because it was second hand, it was just at that point where it was, just had it. Felt alright to start with, but now it's no good. So I'm going to go back to the Desert HT front tyre. Doesn't seem to be any smoke coming off it. I'm thinking I just got oil somewhere I shouldn't have. That rear tyre's only done 5,000 Ks. Actually, how many Ks have I got on it? 23, 6, nearly 7,000 Ks on that. It's getting pretty worn. You might be able to see my muffler mount there is bent. My rack mounts to the, my side rack mounts to there and there. So when that gets hit, that gets pushed in. So I might have to do a bit of modification there. Let me rivet, doing a little dance. I put the O2 sensor back in. I don't know, fuel consumption was up and down on the trip. I ran out of fuel on the first day riding down the highway. I'd done about 280 Ks and there she conked out on me. I usually get closer to 400 Ks out of a tank. On day 2 we got lost. Yeah, got back, I was really worried about running out of fuel then. I want to go that way. Yeah, I was really worried about running out of fuel. We did 280 Ks and it only took 16 litres. So, don't know, then... Definitely running rich since I put the new fuel pump in. I've actually got the baffle out of the muffler at the moment. Wait there, let me just pull up again. Yeah, freer flowing exhaust might make it run a little leaner because it's running very rich at the moment. I might need a tune. She does sound pretty nice though. Yes, I need to replace my mirror, number plate light, fork seals, chain sprockets, front tyre, straighten out that exhaust mount and try and fix my rack. Seems to be running okay. We might just back off some preload. I wound it right up to have the extra luggage on. Get out the preload adjusting tool. Go back one turn, one full turn. I don't know, that front end just feels a bit funny. Maybe I should check that tyre pressure. I did put a bit extra pressure in those tyres before I left too, so maybe just that extra pressure is making the front end feel stiff. $35, we'll let a bit out of it. Probably a bit low now. It's closer to 30, we'll try that. When I got home from the trip I was expecting no oil in the bloody motor, but there was plenty in there still. So the amount of smoke that was coming out of it. Yeah, the way the bike was sounding and acting when I got back, I thought I thought the bike was done. It's ready to go to the scrapyard. Feels better with a bit less pressure in that front tyre. I am going to get a Desert HT back on the front though. Does sound nice without the baffle in there, doesn't it?